Hello, Taurus. Welcome to Femacy LightHouse. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another energy reading. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the recent past, the present, and the future in reference to a love connection that continues to challenge you. To book your private reading with me, all of that info is below, along with all of the price listings. And the best way to be notified as to when I put out any new content is by following me on Instagram. The link to my IG is below. And as always, not each and every Taurus watching me will feel like this is their message, and that's okay. It's impossible for me to be able to connect with each and every Taurus in this world. All right, let's get right into what is going on. Spirit, please speak to me in reference to the person that is on Taurus's mind. Talk to me about what they've been going through in the recent past. Talk to me about Taurus's person in the recent past, please. Talk to me about this person in the recent past. Tell me more about this person in the recent past. Okay, so really taking charge here. There is something that your person wants to stop doing, and they're working on that, okay? With this Aquarius energy being present here, there is something new that they are trying to develop. A brand new passionate start. Putting an end to an old habit has something to do with this new beginning for your person, okay? And a lot of discipline. I feel them really trying to challenge themselves to make some sort of change in their life, okay? With the Emperor energy being present here, Aries energy. The Ace of Wands, fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This speaks to the new opportunity, wanting to make the change. The Star card, brand new, rejuvenation. Doing things the way that they need to be done. So I feel like your person is trying to rectify something in their life in the recent past. But in order to do that, there has to be an ending here. So there's something that they're trying to stop doing, okay, in the recent past with Scorpio energy. Now, let's take a look at the present. Spirit, please speak to me in reference to the present when it comes to the way that Taurus's person is feeling. Talk to me about the present when it comes to Taurus's person and what they are up to. Talk to me about the present when it comes to Taurus's person and what they are up to. Five of Wands energy, conflict. Talk to me about the present when it comes to Taurus's person. With the Ace of Swords energy, talk to me about the present for Taurus's person. Okay. So, trying to make a firm decision, it's very hard for them to stop doing whatever it was that they were doing in the past here. You see how they're trying to start over, start fresh, do something differently in the recent past, and they're choosing to end a cycle or end something that was taking place in the past there. But in order to do that in the present moment, it is so challenging and conflicting for your person with the Five of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. They are realizing that something needs to be cut out. They need to stop. However, they aren't completely confident in that decision or that choice. Therefore, very confused with this Five of Wands energy, basically fighting themselves to change. Interesting. Now, please speak to me in reference to the future when it comes to how Taurus's person is going to be doing with this change. Please speak to me in reference to Taurus's person in the future. What's going on in the future? Talk to me about what's happening in the future for Taurus's person. Tell me more about the future. Okay, there's just going to be a lot of stalking, I guess, right? So there's no forward movement in a certain area anymore. Your person feels like they need to either stop talking to you, stop connecting with you. They are avoiding a reconnection, but not because they don't want to. They are fighting themselves on this. It's present. They are going back and forth about it. They are talking to other people about how they need to do this, how they need to finally make this change, how they cannot continue. And all as they do that, they watch with the Page of Swords energy. In the future, we have the Temperance, Sagittarius, finding the balance, trying to fill all of their cups so that they can do what's right in other people's eyes. So I don't really feel that they are doing what's right for them, Taurus. I feel like they are trying to please other people, which is why their energy is coming out in reverse here. So no matter how much you try to please other people, you are still going to be unhappy, cross watcher. Okay? The person who is watching for Taurus. I feel like energy is being invested in the wrong area. But now, let's clarify what Taurus's person is trying to end here with the Death card in the recent past. What is Taurus's person trying to end here in the recent past? Oh, they're trying to end something that they feel is very toxic. So it could be a connection that they just can't stop thinking about. This is what they are trying to end. There's an energy that keeps pulling them. And they do not like that this energy has control over them. So they're feeling like they have to break away from it in order to do better in another area. But I still feel like they're trying to please other people and they are not doing this for themselves. Let's clarify the Five of Wands energy, because this is how they feel in the present moment. It's like very confused, not confident at all in this decision, just feeling like they have to do it for right now. Clarify this Five of Wands energy for Taurus's person, please. Clarify this Five of Wands energy for Taurus's person, please. Clarify this Five of Wands energy for Taurus's person. Seven of Swords energy. They want to go back to this addiction so bad. Whatever it was that they tried to end, they want to do that again so bad. And that's what is so conflicting for them. See, your person, Taurus, is not really happy where they are in the present moment, which is why it's such a challenge. They need to start doing what makes them really happy, because that's how they're going to feel better. The more you try to please others, the more conflicted life will be. Tell me more about the Seven of Swords energy for Taurus's person. See, it's like what they really want is to come together, but they're denying this to themselves. For some of you, you're just not allowing it, Taurus. Maybe that's why they feel like they need to put a stop to this or end it, because you're just not in the mood to reciprocate anymore. But the true desire is to actually come together with you. Clarify the Three of Cups energy. Clarify this Three of Cups energy The Wheel of Fortune. Something needs to change in the present moment. That's why your person is having this struggle, because they fail to identify that in order for them to get what they want with you, if they want to make things right, then something needs to change in their behavior. They are unwilling to change for some reason when it comes to the situation that you guys have, which is why they continue to be stagnant. They are going down the wrong path, trying to submit to the wrong people. They are obliging to the wrong people. A stubborn person that you're dealing with, and I know people call us stubborn, Taurus, but come on, your person, they love to hit the wall over and over again. Now, the future. We have the Nine of Cups, the Temperance. Clarify the future. Taurus's person, please. Clarify the future for Taurus's person. The Chariot. So they feel like they have to move on, right? And for some in this situation, I mean, they have no choice, because some Taurians are just not allowing certain people back into their lives. But for others of you who are wondering, you know, this person feels like they need to move in another direction. So let's see why that is. Please clarify the Chariot. Spirit, please clarify the Chariot in the future here. Yeah, they have to move away from a connection. They know it. They feel it. Why do they have to move away from the Two of Cups energy? Why is that? Why do they feel like that? Why does Taurus's person feel like that? Because it's overwhelming them. They feel like they cannot find a right way to do anything when it comes to this connection. But they do have the solution. It's just they're not willing to accommodate. And if someone's not willing to accommodate you, then maybe they don't belong in your life in the first place, Taurus. Because what they're doing is putting themselves first. They don't want to humble themselves. They don't want to swallow their pride. These are the things that we have done for them, but yet they can't do it for us. Really? So then maybe you don't belong in my life, right? One more card for the future for Taurus. What is the outcome here? What is the outcome for Taurus? What is the outcome, please? What is the outcome for Taurus? Interesting. The outcome is the Lovers. Gemini energy. Now, regardless, and this sounds like another reading that I did the other day, your outcome is still the Lovers. So with or without this person, there's an energy coming in for you, all right? Now, if this is in reference to the past person, then here they are. If you're looking for someone new, here they are. Either way, you're good, all right? So that's what I have for you, Taurus. To book your private reading, all of that info is below. I want to thank you for watching and take care.